So we are here at the Silver Reef town site and museum. Silver was found in the sandstone here. And it wasn't exactly the sandstone itself that it was in. It was actually in the petrified wood that was within the sandstone. So let's go ahead and take a look around and see what there is to explore. Southern Utah, dead of summer. I wouldn't want to be stuck in gel. We are over here at the Barbie Walker mine and mill site. You can kind of see over there little bits and pieces of what's left of it. So this is the ore chute. They dump it in and it go down the chute. Just so nice and peaceful out here. Little museum they have of models, kind of so we have an idea of what the city looked like. So let's go ahead and head in and get out of the sun a little bit. Museums. I don't know about you guys, but museums are like my favorite thing. Because like just everything that ties you back with what used to be. The safe room. We got a little safe here. Y'all should come check it out. It's pretty awesome out here.